Hello friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Let's see today in our upcoming trailhead about the event monitoring analytics app, which is another tool which comes as a part of Salesforce Shield. So let us see how we can get started with the event monitoring analytics. So let's see. So after completing this unit, we should be able to do the event monitoring analytics for our business, for our org, and we can also identify the licenses that we may require to access the event monitoring analytics. So as we all know that this analytics will provide us, once we define our APIs, our use cases, then we can visualize the key performance indicators, and we can get to know about the important questions about our users' behavior. It's also important, like when we are writing some automation testing for this for your Salesforce org, then you need to know the imperative questions like which user agents which user agents are being used in your org. So for that, we definitely need to have this event monitoring analytics app installed in our org. And for example, you want to see the trends, you want to performance, you want to benchmark your performance, and you want to really identify the problems early. So, say for example, like what are the top reports that got downloaded from your org last week? So, and should you be concerned about the report download trends, and who has downloaded the most reports, or is there any performance issues with your Lightning components or your web apps or your Visual Force page? So, that's really all about it. So. Uh, Mind you, event monitoring analytics do provide dashboards for both you, the user as a logged in, and also for the Salesforce admin. You can see here you can view the page view trends by user, and yes, and there are a lot of complex queries which you can get from the event log data. And so for example, let us see how many points we can gather once we complete this trailhead. So 100 points we should be able to get it. And let's see if there are any other tools which we need to do. So remember, we are using this trail secure our apps with Salesforce Shield, and we have already done with event monitoring, and now we are doing this event monitoring analytics app. So for that, we are started with get started with event monitoring analytics. So let us see, friends, if we can get hold of this 100 points for our Salesforce trailhead. So in the event monitoring analytics app brings pre-built insights and analytics to what type of existing data in your org. As you all know, it has to be event log file data. So what does event monitoring analytics make it easy to do? Visualize trends and compare against benchmarks. Might be spot performance problems. Looks good. See, write reports. Maybe, and D, A, and B. So let's see. Definitely, event monitoring analytics allows us to visualize the trends and compare against benchmarks, and it definitely helps us to spot the performance issues of our Visual Force and Lightning pages. So the other question is like, what licenses do you require to create your own event monitoring analytics app? Einstein Analytics platform? Not sure. I'm sure though. So Salesforce Shield, definitely we need it. Event monitoring, yes, we need it. Platform encryption, no, we need. So the E option is B and C. Okay, so let us see if we are able to earn this 100 points for this particular exam. We are able to get the 100 points, friends. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel called TKD Health Tips. Stay safe, stay secure in your homes, and see you again.